Hey folks, welcome back. It's Thursday morning and back here in the shop. I've got my coffee, just getting ready to start the day off, and we're going to be bringing you another series of Instagram TV videos today. Today we've got a private class going on. It's just one student. Makes it really nice. It's kind of an intimate setting, especially as far as the learning goes. It's just nice to be able to have that one-on-one interaction. And today's class is something that we normally run on Sundays. It's our one-day blacksmith knife class, or Viking style knife class. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a piece of 1080 high carbon steel, and we're going to forge it down. This is 7 inches long, just so you know. We're going to forge it down into something like this. So there's definitely a lot of hammering that goes on here and a lot of manipulating of that steel, but by the time it's all said and done, we're going to end up with something that's really nice. Plus we're going to end up doing a little arts and crafts today and making our leather sheath for it as well while these are in the heat treat oven. I'm planning on actually forging a knife right beside my student today, so stay tuned. Try to give you updates as much as possible, and look forward to sharing it with you. Take care.
Good. Cory's starting to draw that down to a point. First time swinging hot steel. So far, so good. Go ahead and turn that flat. Excellent. The biggest thing that we want to watch here is we don't want any of the steel to roll over. We don't want to create what we call a cold shut. Okay. So when you hammer next, you're going to come in, flip it down again. You're going to hammer right in along here, and that'll draw that out. Don't worry about doing it right now because the steel's not hot enough to really move. Okay. All you're doing is expending energy without accomplishing any work. Put it back in? Put it back in. Here we go. It's about 10:30. Cory's doing a great job getting that edge forged out. Just gonna let these cool down. We're gonna go ahead and pre-grind them a little bit after we straighten it out, and just to help out with the overall shape. Put it back in. Yep. Alright, so here we are. It's about 11 o'clock. Cory is out in the shop right now, just giving a little bit of shape to his piece before we go ahead and take them back into the forge. We get certain liberties today just because, well, it's just the two of us, and we can pretty much take our time and do things how we want to. But otherwise, stay tuned. His knife is looking great. Mine's going to come along as well, and we'll bring you a third part here later on in the day. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Well, your next heat right in here, I'd like to set that down just a little bit. Pitch that, make that transition a little sharper.
So bring it up here after it's hot. And
Yep.
Here.
Good. Pull back across the anvil, light hits. Good. Just square that up, straighten it up a little. Looking awesome, Cory.
Thank you.
A little lower. There you go. All the way around.
Oh, I don't use this. Use this one, right? Bend it. And
Yep.
pull it.
Further back towards it. There you go.
Draws me as not a compulsion that is justifying as a choice.
So here we are literally 7.5 hours in. What do you think? Have you learned anything?
Oh yeah, this is great.
So-
Especially watching you, you make it look easy. Then when I go to do it, it's not quite that smooth.
Well, it's kind of like you and your job. I'm sure you make things look easy as well. So
Hey,
I hope that you learned something. We still have a little bit to finish up here, but I hope you really enjoyed today. You did a great job today, man.
Thank you. Yeah, it's great.
All right, so here we are. We finally finished up. Cory has made an awesome looking knife. Say hi, Cory.
Hello.
He's back there in the background. Man, it's been a great, took us about 7.5 hours with one student. And, I mean, we just took our time getting things the way that we wanted them to be. And again, just an awesome class. I've been doing this class for, 6-7 years now. And always impressed by what my students make. And, man, I don't know. Just been a great day. And look forward to doing it again. Thanks again for everyone for watching this, giving us likes. We'll see you later, and hope to see you here in the shop sometime soon. Take care.